Hey guys, Cam from Barbecues, Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here to answer those questions you may have online or in store. Question we often get asked around spit roasting is, what accessories am I going to need to cook a whole animal? Now we have all the accessories you do need, so what you're going to really need to start off with is some large prongs. So these large prongs, one goes into the shoulder and one goes into the back end of the animal. Hammer them in if you need to. We also have product videos on how to mount an animal to a spit. Next up is going to be your leg brackets. Now, these are optional. A lot of people just wire the legs to the pole. I tend to find these work well for say pigs, because you can pull those legs in and slot them in. And then of course to center that animal, you've got your back brace. So straight through the spine and clamps on. Now a good optional accessory to always have on hand is a counterbalance. What that's going to do is negate that lumping every time the animal spins, and it allows for an even cook. Thanks for watching guys, hope you found this informative, and we'll speak soon.